Hello, today I want to show you how to import a new order in Autocost. If you want to use the import function in Autocost, you need to set up the interface to create a file with the extension ORD at the end, containing all the information of your order. The description of the interface can be found on our documentation page at automarker.com. You can download it from there. Please click on the Import button in the green bar. Select the type of file that you want to import in the first dialog. The standard setting is set to order. Use the button Browse to select the data path where you find your order files for the import. Select the file you want to import. Select the parameter set that you want to assign to your order. Import the file by clicking onto the Import button. The order will appear in the order list. The matrix of the order will be displayed on the right upper field. In this case, we have 5 sizes in 4 colors. The quantities are shown per size, per material. The total of number of units in this case is 1060 garments. The import file can contain one order or multiple orders. You can continue your learning experience by watching my next video.